Yo, what's up everyone? So let's say you're a content creator that wants to start posting vertical format shorts or TikToks, but you don't know either how to edit, you don't have the time, or maybe you just don't feel like spending money on an editor. Well, this new OBS plugin from Aitum is going to be a godsend for you, and you're definitely going to want to start utilizing it. Oh, and by the way, did I mention that it lets you stream to TikTok vertically while streaming to either YouTube or Twitch horizontally at the same time? Yeah, it's pretty dope. So first off, you will need OBS version 29 for this plugin to work. I'll leave a link down in the description to download it. And real quick, I do know that a lot of streamers use the StreamFX plugin. And if you upgrade to OBS 29, I've recently found out that StreamFX doesn't work on OBS 29. Well, it does, but say you upgrade to OBS 29, you'll end up having to pay for the StreamFX plugin to be able to work properly on OBS 29. But yeah, so it sucks, but it is what it is. So once you click on that link and you're here, all you have to do is click download installer. It'll walk you through the steps of where you save it and everything. It's really simple. Now, once you have OBS downloaded, installed, and ready to go, you are going to need the Aitum Vertical Plugin, which I'll leave a link down in the description for as well. Just click on the link, scroll down, and you should see Aitum Vertical Plugin. So some of you might have heard of Harris Heller before. I believe he is part owner in Aitum, and a very big part of this becoming a reality is due to Harris. And one thing that he really wanted to make sure was that this plugin was really simple and easy and quick to download and install. And they absolutely nailed it. All you have to do is click download. It'll give you this message, and then it should automatically start your download. Just click open. It'll ask you where you want to save it. And that's it. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to go ahead and do that step, but that's all there is to it. Okay, so now that you have OBS installed and the Aitum Vertical plugin installed, all you have to do is open up OBS and the Aitum Vertical plugin should automatically be set up and ready to go. You should see a dock called Vertical Scenes, Vertical Sources, and then somewhere on your screen you should see a vertical canvas, which will display all the changes that you're making in real time. It's basically like your regular preview, but just for your vertical scenes. Okay, so for this video, let's say you're an Apex content creator. Let's go ahead and make a scene for that. So let me go ahead and move my webcam out of the way. All you have to do is come down to vertical scenes, make a new one by clicking the plus icon. We'll name this Apex V. Click OK. And then now let's go ahead and add in our webcam. So plus icon under vertical sources, video capture device. Now I already have my webcam set up in here, so I'm going to click cam 1 and you should see it pop up over in your vertical canvas. Now let's go ahead and resize it and drag it to the dimensions we want. And then right click it, transform, center horizontally to make sure it's perfectly even. And now let's go ahead and add in the Apex gameplay. So let's go ahead and open up Apex. Okay, so we have Apex open now. Let's go ahead and tab back into OBS. Under vertical sources, click the plus icon, game capture. Let's go ahead and create a new one. And what I like to do for mode, I like using capture specific window. For window, choose Apex Legends. And now you should see that pop up on your vertical canvas. So let's go ahead and resize this to fit into our canvas. Okay, and now that we have it, right click, transform, center horizontally, and boom, just like that, you have a perfectly vertical formatted Apex content scene. Okay, so now that we have our vertical scene set up, say you stream on YouTube or Twitch, and you already have a scene set up for Apex normally, what you can do is right click on your vertical scene, one we just made, click linked scenes, and then choose your Apex one. And now anytime that you switch to your Apex scene for your normal stream, your vertical scene will automatically adjust to make sure it's showing the Apex one. Okay, so now that you got all that set up and sorted, let's go ahead and go to the vertical plugin settings. Under your vertical canvas, you should see this little gear icon. Go ahead and click that. And you should see resolution, video bitrate, audio bitrate, all that good stuff. But when you come down to this backtrack section, this is when it gets a little bit more interesting. So essentially what backtrack is, it's basically the same thing as the replay buffer built into OBS, but it's just called backtrack. So what I like to do is set my backtrack recording length to 120 seconds or 2 minutes. The backtrack recording path is where you choose to save your recordings to. And then go ahead and set up a backtrack hotkey. So what this does is whenever you press that save backtrack hotkey, so for me it's Control =, it'll automatically record the past 120 seconds leading up to when I press that hotkey. And if you check this box next to backtrack runs while streaming / recording, anytime that you stream or record, it'll automatically start your backtrack up so that you won't ever have to worry about if you forgot to turn it on or not. Now, lastly, for those of you that might have a TikTok stream key, this is something that's really dope. If you go to the streaming tab, mine is empty because I don't have a TikTok stream key. I wish I did. But right here is where you'll be able to fill out all the information that you need to do to be able to stream to TikTok. And what it does is it'll use your vertical canvas right here. It'll stream that to TikTok while streaming your horizontal view and everything to Twitch or YouTube like it normally would. So TikTok gets your vertical format view, and then Twitch or YouTube gets your horizontal one. It makes multi-streaming to the two different platforms super easy, and honestly, it's probably one of my favorite features, and I don't even have a TikTok stream key. And that's basically everything you need to know to be able to set up your vertical plugin and use it. Huge shout out to Harris Heller and the people over in Aitum for making this thing a reality and making it free. Honestly, that's super sick. But yeah, that wraps everything up for this video. Hopefully you found it useful. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me out. One of my New Year's resolutions for this year was actually to try and post more consistently on YouTube and really try to hit YouTube partner. So yeah, every sub really helps out. Also, make sure to click the bell icon to turn on notifications for any future video uploads. And yeah, that'll do it for this video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next upload.